Hi guys, how to reset Windows 10 without losing data. Is your Windows 10 acting up slow, freezing, or full of errors? What if I told you there's a way to reset your PC completely without losing a single file or photo? Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to reset Windows 10 safely without losing your data. Now press the Start button and go to Settings. After that you see the last option Update and Security, click on it. And then you see the left side Recovery, click on it. After that click the Get Started. And this is to option removing data or kept data. Click the Keep Data. And then click the Local Reinstall. And press the Next. And please reset to run. And that's it, your Windows 10 is refreshed, clean, and all your data is safe. No more lag, no more errors, just smooth performance. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more PC tutorials. See you in the next one to keep your system running strong.